Hi Vikrant. Oh, hi Bharat. Good to see you after so long. Bali friends. Hi. Welcome to the live. Hi Bharat. How are you? Guys, am I audible enough? Just say yes if I'm audible enough. Just type yes. Hi Saurabh. Good to see you. Can you guys hear me? Awesome. So we are just waiting for today's guest to join and then we'll start. But it's really good to see you people after so long. How have you been? Yes, I'm good too. Great. I am audible. Nice. Hi, Neelam. How are you doing? And how's your art going? We're just waiting for some more people and our guest to join, and we'll start the session with her. And I keep looking at your paintings, they are so beautiful. Hey, Ankit. How are you? Hi, Keshav. How are you doing? Hey, Steve. Wow, Mamta, long, long time. Good to have you here. Hey, Ashish. Hello, everyone. So good to see you people after so long. How are you, Ashish? Hi, Vineet. How are you? The Dark Raven. Hello, welcome. I'm good, Vineet. All right. So finally, we have.
Hi, so finally we have our very special person here, and I welcome everyone to our first live session, rather, first episode of this beautiful series, Spreading Light. And we have the inspiration behind the series right in front of us. And Anamika Singh, she is someone who's much, much beyond words. But if I have to, try to tell you about her, so I would say कि कुछ लोग प्यार बटोरते हैं, कुछ लोग प्यार बांटते हैं, कुछ लोग प्यार जीते हैं और कुछ लोग प्यार करना सिखाते हैं जिंदगी से, खुदा के बंदों से और खुद से. And she is one of those. So let's welcome Anamika Singh.
Thank you,
Uh,
thank you, Keith. These are very, very, very big words. I don't know what I've done to, be worthy of these, but yes, trying. अपनी कोशिश है कि जो इतना कुछ आपने कहा है उसकी एक बूंद भी बन पाऊं तो then this जिंदगी is कायम.
That is your humbleness, because she's one of the most, humble souls I have ever met. So I'll just, tell you a bit about her, although this session is really small to talk about her. She is the founder of ADA, which is Anamika's Dance and Art Academy, and she has been in this journey with the ADA for about 22 years now. She's also a founder of a very beautiful mission, which is transforming lives. She has transformed lives of millions of people, and the mission is eye to eye, and we'll be talking more about the mission in this conversation with her today. And also, she is so versatile, and she's trained in over 25 dance forms. And if I start counting, I don't think I'll be able to count even beyond that. And also, she's worked with the legend, late Saroj Khan ji, and many, many, renowned names. She's been awarded as Best Dancer by none other than Shyam Agrawal. And she's not just a dancer. For dance is life, a way of being for her, which is more than just expression. It is more of self-love, more of changing lives. So do welcome me, join me in welcoming Anamika Singh. And I would, want to say one thing before I proceed, that this series is dedicated to her. I was watching one of her videos on Instagram, and I ended up questioning myself that what is it that I have to offer in these times? And I thought I have good people. I am connected to so many lovely souls like her, like you people who have joined me today. And we all can spread light together and see how we can uplift each other by spreading light, by sharing our journeys, our insights to cope in, these times. So, on that note, I would once again welcome you, Anamika. I lovingly call her Dee. And we would love to, know from you your journey and how Ada happened. So,
Wow.
yeah.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, Preet. सबसे पहले तो before I get into my journey, something very beautiful what you said, that how each one of us can spread the light, and because we're all drops of the same ocean. We are all अल्लाह के बंदे. सबको वहीं से मिल रहा है. There's nobody who's getting it from another quiet, sneaky source. There is only one source. अब आप उसको जिस नाम से पुकारें, जिस जरिए से आप वो रास्ता तय करें, but we are all getting it from the same source. And I think one of the most beautiful things that I have realized across my little humble journey is that we don't have to wait कि जब मैं वहां पहुंचूंगा तब मैं बांटना शुरू करूं. Because a lot of
Right.
times we all go through that in our own way, that when I do this, then I will set this up. When I am able to accomplish this much, then I will start offering this. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. Nature doesn't work like that. एक दरिया भी आपको पानी से भरा मिलेगा, एक छोटी सी नदी भी मिलेगी, एक तालाब भी मिलेगा. They don't question their existence कि हम कितना पानी स्टोर कर सकते हैं और दे सकते हैं. बट जो है, एंड उस वक्त आप एक छोटे से गांव में जो लोग एक कुएं से पानी लेते हैं, उनको पूछिए कि अच्छा अगर आपको दरिया से लेना हो, तो उनके पास दरिया ही नहीं है दरिया के पास जाने का. Right?
Right.
That kuwa is their be all end all source, right? And the kuwa doesn't think that it's small, because it is providing the essential to as many people that require it. And I strongly believe that in our own humble way, that's what we have to do. We don't have to wait कि मैं इस level तक पहुंच जाऊं या मैं इतना सीख लूं. Whatever it is, whether you're somebody who likes to experiment in a kitchen, okay, you may not know a spectrum of cuisines, you may not know multiple dishes. अगर आपको एक चीज बनानी आती है, आप वो तो सिखा सकते हो किसी को, वो तो बता सकते हो इसकी रेसिपी क्या है, right? That is what we all need to do. कि जो हमें मिल रहा है, जिस चीज का स्वाद हम ले रहे हैं, जिससे हम जुड़ रहे हैं, वो तो हम शेयर कर सकते हैं. And that is what spreading the light is. It doesn't matter कि हमारी लौ कितनी तेज है. वो बड़ी लौ के लिए भी एक छोटी सी माचिस की ही जरूरत थी. So we all have to tap into that light within and start sharing whatever we have. And I'm so happy because when you reached out to me and when you shared that you were inspired, or you felt connected, that okay, this is something that you want to do and you want to spread this light, I was so happy. I was just so happy, and I'm so grateful to you for having me here, and for finding me worthy of sharing whatever I can offer. Because we all have to do this. Yeah, this is our prime purpose. And whatever lives we are living, whether people are out there teaching in a school, or making beautiful technology as engineers and scientists, or हम जैसे जो artists हैं या जो भी हैं, or homemakers, children, whatever, we all have to tap into this beautiful energy, and we have to flow and give whatever little we can. And I'm just so happy. We are all in touch with ourselves. We are all in touch with हमारे इर्द गिर्द काफी लोग होते हैं ना. There are a lot of people around us, whether friends or family or neighbors or flatmates or roommates. There is nobody who's living in complete isolation. एक तो और इंसान आपके पास होगा. आप चाहे रोज किसी से बात नहीं करते हैं, कोई तो होगा. सब्जी लेने जाते हैं, सब्जी वाला तो है. And whoever is in your domain, we have to heighten our awareness, because हमें वो ज्ञान कहाँ से आ रहा है, उसका आशीर्वाद कहाँ से मिल रहा है, उसकी सीख कहाँ से मिल रही है, we don't know. And similarly, the beautiful thing about life is that, you know, we are not only receiving, we are also offering at that time. And at the same
Right.
time, if we are offering, at the same time we are receiving. So we are both receivers and offerers. And that is what is, I think, magical about this journey. And when you ask me about, okay, you know, share about your journey, and I think I was 17 when Ada happened. And 17 मैंने कोई MBA नहीं किया था कि मुझे पता है कि कैसे एक academy चलानी है. Ada is Anamika's Dance and Arts Academy. I didn't know how to run an academy or, you know, management and admin. मैं तो खुद अभी स्कूल मैंने खत्म किया था, right? And I think the process of contributing whatever little I could, which was dancing at that time, it is from my students that I started learning how to manage things. It is as I plunged into the sea, I figured how to swim, and different strokes kept coming. And that is how it is, which is why I believe that it's, you know, a student it already has a teacher within, because they are awakening your power, the teacher's power to give. You know, अगर students नहीं होंगे तो teacher के तो knowledge अंदर ही रह जाएगी ना. So
Right.
even for them to access what they have accumulated over time, or their experiences, anything that we're sharing, a student is very, very critically important. And at the same time, I think you cannot be a teacher if you're not learning constantly. So you are playing both roles.
Definitely.
Yes. So I absolutely feel that any, like, you know, how it said that, you know, a child gives birth to a mother. She was only a woman before. You know, nobody learns. There's no rule book, and there's no guide to, you know, how you will become a mother. But when you have a child, you learn it. And
Yeah.
that's how we all are. When he's planted us in this beautiful creation of his, he is ensuring that we know how to receive, how to embrace what is coming our way, and at the same time also be able to offer. Yes, and
In
that is
fact,
actually what it has been for 22 years.
awesome, awesome. In fact, you mentioned something very beautiful, and that is one thing which I have picked up from you. Like, you know, there has to be a balance between giving and receiving. Since childhood, you know, most of us have been told to give, 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 but people don't know how to
Yes.
receive love when they are feeling stuck. When, you know, these are the times when many of the peoples are undergoing depression, or they don't know how to handle it. They've never handled difficult situations before, and but they're not able to express. They are scared. In fact, I keep getting calls from people who just don't know how to express their pain. But I definitely, you know, learned this thing from you through your Facebook posts, that it's important to receive also, because we also need to love ourselves, right? And that reminds me of a word that you always say: selfish means self में ईश. If you recognize that ish, that God within you, so you'll begin to love yourself, because only then you can spread it. And that's a beautiful thought that you've shared. And we have many more people joining us. So I welcome you all once again. And with this, that brings me to, you know, your mission, Eye to Eye Wellness Mission. What exactly it is, and you know, what is the scope of the work? And if people want to connect with you on that mission and reach out to you for any help in these times, so what's the way out for them?
Wow. Okay. So again, you know, I think the beautiful thing is it's what you process is what you offer. And again, you've already very beautifully put it together, Preet, that, you know, and I do believe that you can only offer what you have. आप वो
Yeah.
दे ही नहीं सकते जो आपके पास नहीं है. So you cannot, when you say that, you know, I'm trying to provide strength to my parents or my children or my spouse or whatever, you know, my friends, if you are not giving that strength to yourself, then what you're giving them is very half-baked. Yeah, because it is not by talking and reading and, you know, that we learn these things. What real the things that really stay with us are the things we experience. The things we experience when we see somebody practice something, that will have a far deeper impact than some great person's autobiography we've read. You know, there are legendary people across civilizations who've been there. you know, we hear of motivational figures, you know, beautiful inspiring stories. फिर भी तो गम है दुनिया में, फिर भी तो तकलीफें हैं, फिर भी तो हम जूझ रहे हैं. You know, there is enough material, whether we pick up, you know, instances from mythology or, you know, great historical figures. We all know stories. There are enough movies, there are enough songs, there's enough of everything where, you know, where one can learn how to pick themselves up and move. But जब आप पे बीतती है, you don't look at all these historical figures. You know, उस वक्त what you need to tap into is your own energy, and possibly the biggest inspiration will actually come from also your space around, and that's the work we all do, and actually that is what I2I is. So again, before I even dive into sharing about I2I, the thing is that every pitfall that I've had, every scar, every wound, every obstacle, everything that has come in my way, you know, and how it has been possible for me to tread that. And when I say my way, certain experiences that maybe as Anamika I've experienced, or people around me, very close to me, or in my sphere are going through, and that's how you learn. So fortunately, because, you know, like I said, that from the age of 17, you know, Ada happened. And there were so many different students of different age groups, different backgrounds, different stories, and their experiences also became mine. I saw how a cancer, you know, struck lady was still coming for the dance class, saying जब मैं hospital जाती हूँ तो मुझे याद है कि मुझे cancer है, पर मैं dance के लिए आती हूँ तो I'm cancer free. Now, for me, this is what I've held. No, I had to have my awareness open for this beautiful inspiration to seep in, because when I'm falling low, I'm not remembering, you know, a king of some country or some great figure from the 14th century, but I'm remembering of mine.
What she
right?
shared at that moment.
Yes, and again, like there was an 8-year-old girl who was coming in for classes, and who had a speech defect. And I will not get into a long story, but in 1.5 years after starting to dance, you know, she was debating in school. Now, how did it happen? I do it. यार मैं अपनी तकलीफें समझ लूं, उनको पार कर लूं, वो बहुत बड़ी बात होगी. Nobody can do it. You're not like even when you were introducing me and you said somebody who's transforming lives. No, we can't. We can't transform anybody's life. We can transform us and share that transformation for people to be inspired in their own way. मैं जाके किसी की life नहीं बदल सकती. Possible ही नहीं है.
Well, you changed mine. You changed mine for sure.
कि अपने आप को कैसे सुधारना है, अपनी मरम्मत कैसे करनी है, अपने आप को कैसे इंटीग्रेट करना है, आप उसमें जुट जाओ. Whoever has to get connected and have you know, some awareness flowing to them through you, that will happen by itself. You don't have to go there and do that, you know.
Right.
So anyway, so when I talk about this little girl also, it's a very simple thing. Dance did not highlight her limitation, because speech, when she was talking, when she was asked to recite a poem, when she was asked to come talk to people, guests, you know, obviously her limitation was highlighted, right? Felt people are judging her, people are making fun of her, and that killed her confidence. अब डांस की सिंपल सी बात थी, उसको बात ही नहीं करनी थी, and वो दिल खोल के अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस कर रही थी. And to be able to express yourself is where your self-worth comes from, where your self-esteem comes from. Self-esteem is not something where somebody else has given you a big job or the money you're earning and all that. Self-worth, yaar, wo usme hai hi self. So your money or position or things, anything external cannot bring that to you, right? And it is an internal work. And यही चीजें देख देख के, सीख सीख के, कुछ अपने तजुर्बों से, कुछ गिरते उठते बिखरते समेटते, all these things happening. You know, that's how, again, there was an emergence of this awareness of eye to eye, which is basically that we cannot change the external. What's happening around us is beyond our control. हमारे आसपास क्या हो रहा है, जिंदगी हमें किस मोड़ पर लेकर आती है, that is not for us to choose and control, but our reaction to it, our perception of it, that is completely with us. So if we are looking at things in a way where it's consuming us, it's debilitating us, it is making us feel small, then I'm operating from the small eye, right? And what is the small eye? I'm seeing everything as an issue in my life. The small eye is an issue. I'm seeing everything as a problem, as an obstacle. You know, कि ये चीज मुझे बढ़ने से, आगे जाने से, progress करने से रोक रही है, right? So it's an issue in my life. But the same situation, if we turn around our perception, looking at it in a way that, okay, I cannot change this situation, but what can it inspire in me? What can I learn from it? What are the lessons that I can seek from it? And that then takes us to the big I, which is immunity. So the big I is my immunity that I'm building through this scenario. There is a recession and I'm fired off my job. It's not in my control. I cannot control that. But in that moment, am I going to sit and sulk and drown in sorrow and grief and be angry and let my fears and insecurities come to surface because I'm looking at it as an issue? Or am I going to say, okay, this is not happening, but what is the blessing in disguise? What can I learn from it? You know, how can I make myself better? How can I become more compassionate? How can I become more focused, more dedicated, more hardworking, and so on and so forth? You know, and then we have immunity. And this is happening at an individual level. But जब आप अपने small I individual self से बांटना शुरू कर दोगे, then it is from your small I individual self to the big I infinite. And that is what we are all here to do. And it's not something we actively always do. Sometimes we do it passively. आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा कोई आपको देखकर inspire हो चुका है, motivate हो चुका है. Because they've just, you happen to say something to another person and they overheard it. And that stuck with them. So many times you'll just be crossing, passing by on a road, and the way you see even a vendor, a fruit vendor, talk to somebody or अपनी मेहनत से कैसे बचा के अपनी सब्जियों को लेकर जा रहा है, you will be inspired from there. उन्हें तो पता भी नहीं चला कि आपने उनसे क्या सीख लिया, right? And that is what small I to big I is. We are all here to help each other. We are all here to inspire each other, to facilitate this beautiful journey of being one with ourselves. और वो हम कैसे होंगे? You know, when we integrate our energy and we see our reflection in everybody. क्यों होता है कि हमें कहीं पता blast हुआ है और हम यहाँ बैठ के दुआ कर रहे होते हैं कि oh God, hope not too many people are affected. Who are these people? We don't know their names. We don't know who they are, but हम दुआ करते हैं. And this is eye to eye ना, कि आप अपने individual space से आप मानते हो कि मेरी दुआ वहाँ जाके लगेगी. My prayers will, and this is what stitches us together. This is what humanity is. So it's nothing new. It's nothing where, there's some new concept I've come with, but it's just something very simple to remember. Every time I'm operating from my fears, insecurities, anxieties, stress, anger, hatred, jealousy, I need to remind myself I'm looking at life as an issue right now. So can I go towards compassion, forgiveness? Can I go towards kindness? Can I go towards gratitude? Can I access love? And then it builds my immunity. And when I'm able to do that for myself at an individual level, the small I level, then I'm obviously expanding holistically into the infinite oneness, which is big I, right? So that is what the little I to I mantra is. And well, everybody, by working on themselves, is already part of the mission to begin with. But of course, if there's anybody who wants to lend themselves in whichever way, of course, they're most welcome to connect with me. And boon boon se banta sagar, yaar. We all have to collectively make
Right.
sure that this is a beautiful place that we enjoy living in. That's it.
Absolutely. So, what I could gather was, which you sort of reiterated many a times, is it's important to gather the energy within ourselves and integrate with ourselves first. Now, there are many people, if I talk about, the real life scenario, because this is real life for me. So, but there are many people, who just don't know where to begin with. Some people do try meditation, some people try other forms of self-expression like dance or art or even talking to a friend. But some people just don't know where to begin with. So, is there any starting point which, almost everyone can start with to start this inner journey so that their perspective changes from, smaller I to a bigger I, from issues to immunity? Because going to a bigger picture comes in stages, right? It's not one time thing. So, how do they begin? Where do they start with?
Jahan hai. And the beautiful thing is, all through our human lives, we feel there's a chronology to things. हमारा first birthday आएगा, फिर second आएगा, third आएगा, fourth आएगा, so on, so forth. And we see, okay, even in school, that we go to school, we go to high school, we go to college, we do our masters. There's a chronology.
Yeah.
The beautiful thing about inner journey is there is no chronology, Preet. I could be very strong in one aspect of my life. I could be extremely sorted in certain relationships in my life, but I could be extremely, extremely vulnerable, struggling in another phase in my life. So there is no stepwise process
Yeah.
in this. It isn't. हो सकता है कि professionally, I'm dynamically growing and everything, but medically, I'm crunched. हो सकता है that mentally I'm really, really strong, but financially my situation is a little, wavering.
Right.
And हम जहां हैं हमें वहीं से शुरुआत करनी है. So there is no one definite answer for anybody, because they're all the same, yet we are unique. And हम सबकी कहानी जाकर वहीं मिलती है. रास्ता भी वही है. But we are all braving our own set of stories and our own life mission, our own life purpose and everything, which can be very different. When I talk for a student today, would be very different from a lady who's taking care of a home, would be very different from a migrant worker, would be very different from a politician. So we all have our own stories, and we have to realize, where are we not able to access our own energy, because we know it. We can project any image we want, we can sit and talk whatever we want, but अंदर से तो हमें पता है ना कि कितना सच है, कितना नहीं है, हम क्या हम में है, क्या हमें अभी और काम करना है. These are not marks. Inner journey is not something where the world is going to give you marks or tell you anything. Inner journey है ही वो inward. So you have to know that, okay, I'm still, allowing stress to take over. I do still succumb to stress, in these situations. I still operate out of fear when it comes to certain relationships or certain areas in my life.
Right.
Certain things make me very anxious. Certain places are always reminding me of my rejections or my betrayals. And that is where you need to start. Because like Rumi says, wound is the place where the light enters. तो जो
Right.
आप कर रहे हैं, हमें स्कूल कॉलेज की बात कर रहे हैं, वो रीडू कहाँ मिलता है? जो चीज नहीं हुई है ना, जहाँ पे आपको पता है कैसे करना है, वो तो मार्क आपके टिक टिक हो गए हैं. तो काम कहाँ से शुरू करना है? काम आपको वहीं से शुरू करना है. Where you know that I am not being myself. I am not. This is बिल्कुल अच्छे नहीं बनना है, सच्चे बनना है. We have to be extremely, extremely true to ourselves. That this is where I'm faltering. And this is where I need to, first of all, I need to accept myself with my achievements, with the accolades, and with my flaws and limitations. मुझे ही तो पता करना है. And if I'm seeing something as a limitation, then how do I overcome that? And that is the first decision. That's the first decision, the choice that I have to make. That, I want to be a better version of myself. If I feel settled that ठीक है यार, अब हर इंसान हर चीज में तो नहीं अच्छा हो सकता, फिर आप उस mediocrity में रहेंगे. And mediocrity not in terms of the world judging you, but right. For yourself. Then you settle and you become comfortable even with the nonsense happening in your life. But if you feel that you are worthy of more, whether of a better relationship, whether better job, better school, better college, better home, better gadi, better whatever, the universe doesn't judge us, yeah? Whether it's a spiritual seeking, whether it's a material seeking, whether it's an emotional seeking, universe is not judging us. It is only bringing that light for us to know that where is the work still required, where are the dark spaces,
where is the wound.
यहाँ का बल्ब अभी फ्यूज है, जो लाइट जल रही है हम थोड़ी उसको जाके रिपेयर करेंगे, वो बल्ब चेंज करेंगे, नहीं करेंगे ना. तो काम कहाँ से शुरू करेंगे? वहीं से शुरू करेंगे कि यहाँ का बल्ब फ्यूज है, यहाँ की तार थोड़ी सी ठीक नहीं बैठ रही है, whatever, because MCB तो ऑन है, पीछे से तो सोर्स ऑन है, but where are we faltering? And then again I will stitch in what you said. There are so many beautiful ways, and हर रास्ता वहीं जाता है. When the idea is attending to yourself, giving attention to yourself, and which is why a beautiful hobby, whatever it is, you can cook, you can stitch, you can dance, you can sing, you can play, you can whatever, because that's not something that you're doing as a performance for another. That's something that you only for yourself. This is not a have to do thing. This is a want to do thing. Yeah. And that's where, you access, whether for some people it's reading, that, okay, I'm not actively doing these things, but reading different material, because when you expose yourself to the works of different people, different life journeys, आपका एक horizon बढ़ता है. आप अभी एक नजरिए से सोच रहे थे, जिंदगी को देख रहे थे, but now when you see, अच्छा, this is a story about, it's a rags to riches story, how somebody became a millionaire. Or this is about a village person, who worked hard and became a great sports person. Whatever the story is, anybody and everybody will then become your inspiration. The choice has to be that I want to be in a better place. मैं जहाँ हूँ, मुझे उससे बेहतर जगह जाना है, और वो कोई जगह नहीं है, वो जगह अंदर ही है. This is that inner journey that I have to uplift myself to be able to see more light, more love. And it has to start within, by starting to give that love to oneself, by starting to invest time in oneself, because हम बहुत busy हैं सब, सब busy in whichever way, whether productive, unproductive, but everybody can be busy. But are we spending time with us?
Are we rightly busy?
So, am I doing that? Because if I'm not enjoying my own company, if I am not investing time in me, then there is nothing that is going to come out of me. So पहली शुरुआत मुझे करनी है. कोई दूसरा मेरे साथ क्यों वक्त बिताए? Why should somebody else, how can somebody else see my talent if I'm not working on it? So the world will only see what you believe in, and that is it. Right. So it has to be that work within, and whatever draws you, whatever makes you feel yourself. For some people it's sports, for some people it's arts, for some people, it's their home. Whatever it is, जहाँ से आपको connection महसूस होता है अपने साथ, that becomes your immunity zone, because that's where gratitude will flow from. That's where courage will flow from. That's where faith will flow from. That's where all these beautiful immunity instruments will flow. And on the other hand, of course, the work where we need to do, the dark spaces, वो भी हमें ही मालूम है कि यहाँ अभी और काम चाहिए, where the issues are. So that is where we have to start. We have to look at our immunity. What do I have right now to deal with this? And what is it that where I can still work on and upgrade myself, and not in a worldly sense, asking others, but in my own eyes. That's eye to eye.
In fact, that's really amazing because you have so beautifully put together everything that I personally have been practicing for about 2 years now, because this inner work is not small. So if I try to put it together for people who have joined late, to summarize what you just said, the work starts with it. Let's say if we are facing any problem and there is a trigger which gives us anxiety. Somebody has lost a job, he's feeling too scared. So the beginning point is to sit with himself or herself, ask, what is this anxiety trying to tell you? Is it pointing to a action that you need to do? Is it pointing you to just relax? At times, it's just a trigger to relax. But if you don't focus on that feeling or whatever is happening, the worries, the doubts, I think it keeps multiplying because it is seeking your attention. That's what I also have personally experienced. And then you decide on what way works for you. At times it could be simply, talking to a friend. At times it could be dance, it could be cooking. So what builds that तार, जो connection आपने बात किया, खुद से अपने साथ तार जोड़ना है, जहां से वो करंट अंदर आता है. Because that is where the
शुरुआत भी यही है, अंत भी यही है, बीच में सारा बाकी है.
Right. And it does affect your, it does affect your personal life, professional life. I've seen many a times, we go to office and somebody says something and we are so triggered. And multiple times, that keeps happening many, many times. So the beginning point to fix that is to fix it inside. See, why is that person triggering you? And it really works. It really works. It shows in, whatever you do, how you, it actually adds to your own authenticity, as you rightly said, being true to yourself. So
Absolutely.
I think you put it together very, very beautifully. And
आप कान यहाँ से पकड़ो या कान वहां से पकड़ो, कान अपना ही पकड़ना है.
जाना अंदर ही है.
Fixing anybody else, that's
right.
not you are only sent here to do your own work. And energy flows where attention goes.
Yes.
तो आपकी एनर्जी वहीं जाएगी जहां आपकी attention है.
Focus.
So so are you focusing on what has gone wrong? Then the pain will multiply, the suffering will multiply, because you are focused on the pain. And the same way, now you have that much time, you have that much energy, you say, this is something that has happened, how can I resolve it? Or how can I make things better? How can I become a source of light? And then the energy flows in a very different way. Preet, we're talking about, we talked about, say, somebody losing a job. Let's look at something even more permanent, like somebody losing a loved one. Job तो आप फिर भी चलो आपको आज नहीं कल मिल जाएगी, उतने पैसों की नहीं, 10% कम में मिल जाएगी, कभी तो मिल ही जाएगी. But what happens when we lose a loved one? Sometimes emotionally, when a breakup happens, sometimes when, again, and when I say breakup, I'm not necessarily pointing at a man-woman relationship, but also, sometimes it's a rift between siblings or parent and child, family, friends, whatever, a sort of a discord happens. Or physically, when, somebody passes away, a death happens around you. How do you change that? You can't. See, these are things we cannot change. ये हम नहीं change करते. अगर हम loss of a loved one बोलें, we talk about natural calamities, somebody losing their home, somebody losing their life, their livelihood. You cannot turn that around. This is an external situation. We cannot change that. But at this moment, अगेन वही बात आती है, व्हाट कैन आई कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट, क्योंकि आप कितने टूटे बिखरे हो ना, you are worthy of giving something. Till the time you and me are breathing,
Wow.
we are worthy of giving something,
So
and
well said.
that we have to keep accessing again and again and again. That okay, I cannot bring this loved one back from the heavens, but can I right now become a source of strength for the people around, but for that I have to obviously to begin with, uh, first feel my own energy, first be there for myself. I cannot
Yeah.
be providing strength to another if I'm not providing strength to myself. I can be broken, I can be torn, bruised, wounded, but if I am continuing to bring some light into me, that light
Hmm.
can be out. But if I'm sitting in complete darkness, if I'm not operating out of awareness, then how can I share that? I can't. And that is what we have to keep bringing ourselves to again and again and again. That, how are we making this inner journey? ये सब मेरे कंट्रोल में नहीं है, मेरे कंट्रोल में सिर्फ मैं हूं. एंड मुझे अगर कुछ भी करना है, किसी और के लिए छोड़ो, अपने लिए भी करना है, I need to spend time with me. I have to know what I like, what I don't. I have to know what inspires me, what pulls me out. But for that, I have to indulge in myself. And it's very, very important that हम सारी दुनिया की खैर खबर पूछते हैं, खुद से पूछे क्या हाल है. It's not a
Yeah.
simple how are you, I'm fine. No. How are you? Who are you? You have to keep looking at your reflection in the mirror time and again. सिर्फ ये सजाने के लिए नहीं, ये सजाने
True.
के लिए. ये
Yeah.
सजेगा तो ये अपने आप सज जाएगा. So
Very
that is
nice.
it. Yes.
Yeah. No, that is definitely important because, it's quite interesting the way you have, talked about self-love. Even when we are dealing with smaller issues, it's important to begin with ourselves. And that's not being selfish because eventually you are helping others also by sharing your stories, by setting an example. It's beyond those, books or videos. It's actually living life like that. So it's a very, very nice way of, how you live it.
Let's
And
see how
we have not, yeah,
we are living in a day and age of this social media where it's like, okay, this song gets 5 million views and this so many hits and likes and all. We have to turn and say, how many views have I given to myself? How many thumbs up likes have I given to
awesome.
myself?
Thumbs up for this.
How
Awesome.
many comments have I written for myself over
Yeah.
every post? And that post can be a thought, it can be an action, and that is what we need to do. So
Wow.
actually, it's very beautiful that all the social media is somewhere also inspiring me to figure out how to look at it for myself. This Facebook जो है, अपनी inner Facebook भी तो खोल लो. वो जो WhatsApp है, अपने तो WhatsApp कर लो. So it's really that. It's really that. This Insta life, are we able to instantly come alive, or are we brooding
Wow.
all the time?
Wow.
So we have to
That's
just
really, yeah.
everything is around us. The inspiration is around us. And I just wonder कि मतलब रब कितने तरीके चुनता है कि हमें किसी लैंग्वेज में तो समझ आ जाए. जर्मन नहीं आती, फ्रेंच आती, बंगाली नहीं आती, मराठी आती है, कोई तो लैंग्वेज आएगी. So now I think he's teaching this to us through the language of social media. That okay, इन्हें Facebook पसंद है तो इन्हें कहो ना अपना facelift करें, and not this
Wow.
facelift, but literally, right? And
Yeah.
that's what it is. That is what we have to do all the time. And again, one thing that you happen to say that you see that professionally something goes off and it affects your personal life. Obviously, आप तो वही हो ना. You cannot divide yourself. You are the same person who's getting up, going to work, coming back home, going for a holiday. You are this person. This is your library. You are storing everything here. How can it be that one thing doesn't affect the other? हो ही नहीं सकता. हम पेड़ काटते हैं, बारिश कम हो जाती है. Look at
Hmm.
the cycle of life. Look at nature, right? That is how the world, the planet gets affected. हम तो बहुत छोटी चीज हैं यार, बहुत बहुत मतलब we are just a speck. How can that not affect us? So obviously, if I'm feeling happier in one aspect of my life, if I'm feeling more grateful, for a loving family, for beautiful environment, for all that, I will take that energy to my workplace. Now,
Yeah.
even if I'm getting firing from my boss, I will work at a very different level,
Different level.
in a very different way, because
Yeah.
my energy that I took was that of a grateful person. When I
I
exited,
totally agree.
I said, I'm grateful. Wow, I had a healthy, beautiful breakfast. I have a home. I'm grateful. I have a car. When you are flowing with gratitude, फिर आपको कोई दो गालियां भी दे जाएगा ना, वो भी आप कहोगे सर आंखों पर, वो भी आप सोचोगे कि अच्छा यार मुझे गाली दी है, मे बी आई नीड टू इम्प्रूव. बट अगर आप whatever, from one space to another, you're shifting with a shuffled energy, you will take that shuffled energy.
Right.
You've had a beautiful day at work and you come back and किसी ने कुछ कह दिया आपको. If you are centered, if you are aligned, you will let it pass. Otherwise, you will dip. So are we going to give the remote control of our lives to other people? That वो जो channel देखना चाहें दबा दें. चलो इसको, let's have a horror film and let's put on this channel and this person can become angry. Now let's have a comedy channel and now this person can laugh. No, the remote control of our life needs to be in our hands. So I
Yeah.
must choose. Even when I'm dipping, I need to be very aware that yes, right now my mood is not right. This is something, Preet, I like, again, धीरे धीरे कोशिश है that the day I feel that energy is clogged or whatever, no matter how much eye to eye and awareness and meditation, but we have our highs and lows and good days and bad days and all of that. So the day I feel a little clustered, I try not to talk to too many people, because I don't even want to share that energy with somebody.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because I must be somebody who's coming into my space, whether through a call, whether through coming and meeting me. They are giving me a slice of their life.
Yes.
They are giving me their time. They are giving me a part of them. What am I giving them? I cannot be giving them this sulky me or angry me or upset me or negative me. So be with yourself, work on yourself, then meet the rest of the world. And at the same time, I must also share the other side of it, that when you feel that you are not able to work on yourself,
Yeah.
because yes, there are times you're really down and out for whatever reason, emotionally, mentally, physically, medically, spiritually, when we are feeling low, then we must know that okay, right now if my light is dimming, maybe I need to ask for that help.
Yeah. It's
It is
important to receive. Yeah.
So maybe I am not feeling inspired enough to pick up a book and read. No, मुझे अभी ये podcast सुन के नहीं मजा आ रहा है. Maybe I just need to actually sit and cry and meet a friend who's not going to give me any gyan, but who's just going to be a listener at this moment. And sometimes that's it. And that होता है ना कि एक नदी में वो मिट्टी आई, वो बह गई. So many times you have resolved it by just acknowledging your pain.
Simply releasing it. You just need to release it at times. Yeah.
But कोई चीज आप ड्रेस अप उसको करते रहोगे, उसको भागते रहोगे. And I am a firm believer, and I'm only sharing what I practice on myself, that you cannot be disengaging with your emotions that are standing on your face. It's like a guest has come and you're banging the door on their face. You can't do that. अगर आप कहीं जल्दी में भी हो, नहीं उनसे मिलना है, आपको बातें नहीं करनी है, at least greet them and tell them, no, I don't, I'm sorry, but ये मुझे नहीं चाहिए. Some salesperson comes, you cannot not open the door. You can open the door and say, sorry, I'm not in need of this.
Right.
But it is important to grieve. it is important to feel that emotion, to be able to say, I don't need this.
Right.
You know, you cannot
Important,
block
yeah.
yourself that, don't get angry. It's the wrong thing. Don't get upset. Come on, don't cry. Why? Why? Why should we not experience these emotions? This is what makes us who we are.
Yeah.
कि यार आंसू बहे तो पता चला ना दर्द हुआ. तो दर्द होगा तो उसकी मरहम भी ढूंढोगे. And with an awareness, you will either how not to repeat that, or if somebody else is in that pain, how to become a channel to help them because you've experienced it.
Yeah.
Right? A lot of inspiration to us comes from spaces where somebody else has had an experience and they bring that experience to us and we become more aware and we do the same. So it is extremely and extremely important for us to always be in our own company. और लोग भी बैठे, but मैं हमेशा अपने साथ हूँ.
सबसे पहले खुद के साथ. That's so
दूसरों की
beautifully
पहले
explained.
खुद को जय. बचपन में वो हमने सीखा था, हमको मन की शक्ति देना, मन विजय करे, दूसरों की जय से पहले खुद की जय करे. What is that? वो मन की शक्ति क्या है? मन विजय कैसे करेंगे? The mind is going to take you in all different directions. How are you going to conquer it? It is only going to happen when you be with you first. When you regard yourself first. When you love yourself. When you respect yourself. When you see your own worth. We feel heartbroken ki, that person doesn't care for me. That person doesn't value me. All that. But why should they? Aapne kiya? Ask yourself that first.
Right. So, we have a lot of people with us, and I once again welcome everyone. So, if anyone has any questions, please feel free to let us know. And because we have only, I think, 4 minutes left, although I have a very special request which I have made to Anamika Di, and if we have time, we'll definitely. I'm expecting something from her and a surprise for you, if time permits, and if. So if anyone has any questions, please do type. And one more question I have is, do you conduct workshops? And if people have to connect with you for any, thing related to their mental health or physical well-being, so how do they get connected with you? How do they reach you?
This is one benefit of the pandemic. I'm sorry to say that earlier on, आपको लगता था कि आप कैसे कहाँ जा सकते हो, कहाँ फिर सकते हो. So of course, I have been facilitating workshops and beautiful organizations that I've worked with, whether it's, people working in the vocational training sector, training the underprivileged. I've worked with rape survivors. I work extensively with the specially abled and across the country and wherever life takes me. But up to, like I said, it's a benefit of the pandemic that we are all here. The world is here. So yeah. Absolutely, I'm in fact, just off late, I had a very beautiful engagement there was a beautiful workshop from across the world where people teamed up. It was called the Warrior Woman Day. And that was happening in Paris. And, I was able to lend my
sorry, I'll interrupt you for a bit. It's showing me 11 seconds remaining. So I'll definitely give your contact details once I upload the video again. And I'm going to invite.
So the live session ended and we were not able to say, bye to our audience and our lovely guest. And I'll definitely be sharing her Instagram handle and other details wherein you can get in touch with Anamika Singh if you need any sort of help or guidance on well-being. I would once again thank Anamika for being here, although I think she has left now. So there was this auto timer of the live video and sometimes, you are in the middle of some beautiful conversations and they go on and you lose track of time. So that's exactly what happened. So thank you once again, and the video is already up on the story. the live video. I'll again be uploading the entire video for you to watch for those who have missed it. So thank you once again everyone for being there, and thank you once again Anamika Singh.